तेरी नजर में नई सी अदा है, नया सा नशा भी गला है। कई दिनों से बंधा था बादल जो तेरे ही बालों में खुला है।
Hi guys, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel. Now without a doubt, wedding functions are super fun to attend, and not just wedding functions but festivals in general are super fun to attend, and when you've got the right outfits to wear, they become even more special. Now when I was a kid, I would often take mom's dupattas and just wrap them around and make them into suits and lehengas and saris and whatnot, but now that I've grown up, I found certain places to shop at, especially when it comes to Indian wear, ethnic wear, and whenever I have to shop say for a wedding or for a festival in general, I just like to take that route. So I'll be taking you along. This is going to be like a get ready with me. I'll show you what outfits I wear when and how I get ready throughout the entire process. All the outfits are from Creva and I will leave the link to their website down below. They're super reasonable, which makes it even more better. And without further ado, let's get started. Now when we're getting ready for the wedding functions, the first function that I think I've attended is the engagement, and it's either that or if you're going for the mehendi ceremony, then that's that. Now because these are initial functions, they're light functions, and most of the mehendi ceremonies I've attended, by the way, are during the day. I feel like this would make the perfect outfit, and you can take the dupatta in so many ways, but what I really like about this outfit in particular is first of all the color. I love it, and then also it's got this mirror work going on throughout the base, and I think that just adds a lot of glam factor to the entire outfit, and that makes it absolutely stunning in my opinion. Now even though it's not your wedding, the idea and the goal is to have all eyes on you, and this outfit does exactly that. There's this lovely foil and mirror work going on throughout, and what I love is the color combination, because they've given blue, they've given pink, they've got obviously mustard and yellow going on throughout, and so much silver. So I think that looks really nice. Plus yellow is a color that is anyway ideal for haldi functions and mehendi functions as well. Can I tell you how much I love this outfit? When I saw this on Creva's website, I instantly knew I had to get this, and I love the color. You guys know these are my colors, and I love the material as well. It's got these ruffles towards the end, so it's very nice and flowy, and what I love is the zari mirror work going on throughout the blouse that you can see, and this just adds so much elegance and so much grace to your outfit. So I feel this outfit is perfect for Sangeet functions, and not just wedding functions but even functions in general. Okay, it's getting late. I need to wear my Mang Tika and head out. So today is the big day, it is the Shadi day, and today you can't take any chances, you can't have any mismanaged color combinations. So this is a combination you can never go wrong with. It's gold with pink, and I love the soft net, by the way. It gives such a princessy feel to the entire outfit. And this is a combination that I feel, I mean, who even defines right or wrong, I feel, but this combination is something that suits all skin tones, suits all hair shades, so it's something you can always opt for. And I'm just pairing these earrings and we're good to go. I've also taken the dupatta from the back like this because I feel it is a very long dupatta, and I love this look of it because you know you don't want to always carry it directly like that. You can always switch things up, and this is how I want to carry it. It's time for the reception. Now the wedding festivities are almost over, but not entirely. There's still the reception to go, and I feel like this outfit is perfect for that because most of the times these events are held during the evening. This is a color that goes perfectly well during the evening time. Now this is a navy blue Bangalore silk lehenga choli, and with the heavy golden colored work going on throughout, it stands out even more. It's so luxurious, so royal, and this is flared for all your twirls, girls. And that's about it. You can get all of these outfits from Kriva, and they're super pocket friendly as well. So personally for me, I don't like getting one lehenga and then just wearing it once, and it's super expensive anyway. So I don't like doing that. And for a lot of wedding functions, you don't want to repeat your lehengas too often. So Kriva has some of the best options. They're super pocket friendly, super reasonable, and you get what you see online, so it's not like there's any difference. You can use the code Sana Grover on Kriva's website and get free delivery whenever you shop. The link to Kriva's website and social media handles are down below, so make sure you have a look at that as well, along with all the other links. If you want to follow me on Instagram, my link is down there as well. I do post a lot of outfit shots and we go live very often. If you enjoyed this video, do make sure you give it a big thumbs up and leave your comments down below letting me know what other videos you want to watch. And if you're new over here, I would love if you subscribe to the channel because that always helps. And I'm going to see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye.